In this section, we'll be building the background to our promotional video. We'll become familiar with the interface and learn some common terms along the way. We'll learn how to import clips, how to work with compositions and the current time indicator. We'll look at layers and layer options. We'll add some effects, and we'll look at the responsive design feature and keyframes. Let's start our project by importing and managing clips. So for this exercise, we'll need some footage. I'm going to use pixabay.com, which has some for free. I'll come over to the Video tab and do a search for fish. I'll scroll about halfway down until I see the stingray footage that I like. Click on it. Now, note with Pixabay, you can use this footage. However, I can't distribute it, which is why I'm asking you to download it. So to download it, choose Free Download, and we'll use the 1920 by 1080 footage. We'll move that to our Assets folder, and then we'll go back to After Effects to import it. In After Effects, let's look at the first panel here on the left-hand side. This is our Projects panel and is where we can manage and import our clips. Let's first start by creating a folder by clicking on the icon in the lower left, and we'll call this Footage. With that selected, I'm going to choose File, Import File, and in my Assets folder, I'll choose the Raise video we just downloaded.